In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that Allah, the Exalted, allocated all things, such as provision, to all creatures over 50,000 years before he created the heavens and the earth. It is important to understand that there are two aspects in respect to all situations, such as gaining one's provision. The first aspect is what Allah, the Exalted, has decided, meaning destiny. This will occur and nothing in creation can prevent this from occurring. As this is out of a person's hands, it makes no sense to stress over this aspect, as they have no influence on destiny irrespective of what they or anybody else does. In addition, this provision includes the minimum a person needs to survive in this world, meaning, as long as they are alive, a person will continue to receive their provision and nothing can stop them from receiving and utilizing it, not even themselves. The second aspect is one's own efforts. This aspect a person has full control over, and they should therefore concentrate on this aspect by using the means they have been provided, such as their physical strength to obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, which they have no control over, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This includes striving to gain lawful provision in order to fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents, while avoiding the unlawful, excess, waste and extravagance. To conclude, a Muslim should never waste time stressing over things they have no control or influence over. Instead, they should use the means they possess and act on those things which they have control over according to the teachings of Islam. A Muslim must avoid adopting an extreme mentality by either adopting laziness and relying on destiny to deliver their provision to them, nor should they rely completely on their own efforts. The balance is to strive to earn lawful wealth according to the teachings of Islam and rely on the guarantee of Allah, the Exalted, as this reliance will prevent impatience and seeking wealth through unlawful means. This is what Allah, the Exalted, has commanded.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.